Hello guys, hope everyone is fine. So first I want to welcome everyone in my channel. So today I am going to discuss a new topic of veterinary extension education. So last class I have given just some introduction about some topics, means some questions which are means for the introduction class it is necessary that you have to know. So today I am going to discuss about very important for the exam, because they may ask about some year related questions. They may ask in matching also, in objective also. In the other hand, for the for the true false, like that only. Different kind or different patterns of questions they may ask, but you have to remember the years, because you will get it definitely in any question or any exam, competitive exam also, and JRF exam also you will get. So if possible you note down. So first one is Community Development Program, in short form CDP. Implementation year October 2, 1952. Then National Extension Service NES October 2, 1953. So if you want to memorize this, here October 2 is same. You have to remember just the year. One is 1952, one is 1953. So for remembering it, you may write it continuously in a white paper. Then another is Community Development Block, CDB, implementation year 1954. Then Panchayat Raj or Democratic Decentralization, 2nd October 1959. So here you can see easily that 2nd October is almost same for the three programs, community development programs. So Panchayat Raj or Democratic Decentralization, October 2, 1959. These are the important days. Then Technical Development Program, Intensive Agriculture District Program, IADP, implementation year 1960. Then Intensive Agriculture Area Program, 1964. Then Intensive Cattle Development Project, ICDP, 1965. Very important question. Then High Yield Variety Program, HYVP, 1966. Then Key Village Scheme, KVS, very important, 1952. Then Small Farmers Development Agencies, SFDA, 1971. Then Drought Prone Area Program, DPAP, 1973 to 74. Then Krishi Vigyan Kendra, KVK, 1974, very important. Then Training and Visit System, TNV System, 1974. Then Desert Development Program, DDP, 1977 to 78. Then Integrated Rural Development Program, IRDP, 1978. Then Training of Rural Youth for Self-Employment, in short TRYSEM, TRYACM, 15th August 1979. Then National Rural Employment Program, NREP, 1980. Then Development of Women and Children in Rural Areas, DWCRA 1982. Then Rural Landless Employment Guarantee Program, RLEGP, 15th August 1983, very important. Then Rural Johar Rozgar Yojana, JRY, 1989. Then Employment Assurance Scheme, 2nd October 1993. Then Midday Meal Scheme, 15 August 1995. Then Jahar Gram Samriddhi Yojana, JGSY, 1 April 1999. Both Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarozgar Yojana, SGSY. It is also 1st April 1999. Then Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, 25 December 2000. Then Sampurna Gramin Rozgar Yojana, SGRI, 2001. Then Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, 2005. It is implementation year is 2006. Then Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana, RKVY, August 2007. Very important question. Then Rashtriya Gokul Mission, July 2014. Then Vishwabharati Radio Channel was launched on 2nd October 1957. Then Prasar Bharati, 23rd November 1997. Then Man Ki Baat, an Indian radio program hosted by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir, in which he addressed the people of the nation on All India Radio, started from 3rd October 2014. Very important question, and you have to know. Then, and you have to listen. Then DD Kisan, an Indian agriculture 24-hour television channel which owned by Doordarshan and launched at 26 May 2015. Then Kisan Call Central toll-free number 1800, one small dash, then 180, 1, then 1551. So, today I have discussed regarding the years and the implementation year, or the related year with some programs, then some community development or technical development or other development programs also. In general, I have discussed the years related with the veterinary extension education, and these are very important questions. You will definitely get one year related question in your JRF exam or any other competitive exam related with veterinary, or in general knowledge also they may ask sometime. So today I have discussed this. Next class I will discuss regarding another topics. If you want to listen some topic from me, then you may comment in comment box. And if you like my channel, so definitely like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So for today only this much. Stay safe. Bye.